Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I am extremely impressed with this car right here. It is a 52,000 mile sweetheart. It's an all number matching, genuine Challenger TA. Super nice car. Go to volocars.com. That's where you get all the specs, pricing, photos, top to bottom of this car and a few hundred other cars. But for right now, how about I take you for a spin in this one? Genuine sublime green car. Again, 52,000 miles. The body is aero straight. I should actually back up. I bought it from the gentleman who bought this car in 1992. He restored this car in the early 90s. I would put it up against anything restored this year. It is immaculate. It stood the test of time. That says a lot. There's not a bubble. There's not any cracking. There's no issues. This is the paint from the early 90s, and it's fantastic. It's polished out to a bright, shine. He trailered the car to shows. He put 1,000, he said maybe 1,500 miles on it since the 90s. He did enjoy the car a lot, but he trailered it to shows. But I tell you what, it functions phenomenally. That's what really has me impressed. You see a lot of beautiful cars, but this one really functions, which I'll get into in a minute. So again, body on this side just as nice. The Challenger TA was for Trans Am racing. It actually has a bit of a stance to it. The only muscle car I know of, they had bigger tires in back than the front. It has side exhaust, blacked out ram air hood, different suspension and steering, power disc brakes in front, sport mirrors. It was a whole package. This is an original hood, not a reproduction. And everything fits really well on this car. Them doors will just click shut like they're new. This is the original motor to this car. It has TA casted right on the side. It's VIN number matched to this car, completely detailed out. Actually, he told me every mechanical part on this car that has a number on it matches the car. Whether it's a date code or casting number, it's all correct. This even has a heat shield on the exhaust manifold that I've never seen. It's there. This is all detailed out. Beautiful. Has the original fender tag and the second tag that says Trans Am. This interior is outstanding. This is 52,000 miles. There's not a doubt in my mind. For one, that's the original windshield. I almost wrote in my ad it was new because it's crystal clear. But if you check for the logo, it's the original windshield. All the glass is original. We'll get back to the interior in a second. Has the dovetail spoiler. It's a little bit blacked out here. That's the way it's supposed to be. All super clean metal inside here. He sprayed like a Line-X protectant in there. It's got the collapsible spare with the air bottle. The jack assembly is all mounted properly. All painted beautifully. Nice soft rubber. So nice trunk compartment. All the stainless and trim. Tail lights, grill. It's all excellent. Getting back to the low miles, these door panels are the original. The new ones are just a little different, a little flimsier. They're mint. This dash pad, they all split. This is the original dash pad. It's mint. That VIN tag's never been removed from that dash pad. It is the original, and it's in excellent condition. The shift knob is not worn. The steering wheel is not worn. The console is mint. Any plastic trim all around here, it's all mint. The cushions are real nice and firm. This is a factory AM/FM stereo, which plays crystal clear. So stereo comes with the 2 speakers. And I just knew it. This car is so nice. There's a front to rear speaker, and I told myself, I guarantee that works. And sure enough, I tried it, and it fades the speaker front to back. It's just one of those cars. It's just a sweetheart. Nice thunk. It doesn't rattle. I'll fire it up for you in a second. VIN number match transmission. 355 Posi or Sure Grip is in there. That's all original to this car. The dash instrument panel is immaculate. It has a clock, and it's still ticking. That's not quartz movement. It's like the original. It actually is ticking, and it's working just fine. All 3 carbs work. And that's just the perfect idle. That's exactly the way it's supposed to be. I'm getting static. I was listening to stereo right outside the door, but now we're in the metal building. It's going to just give me static. Oil pressure is at 60 pounds at an idle. Headliner's tight as a drum. Interior lights work. This is one legitimate muscle car. And again, like I said, a muscle car. Find one of these that haven't been beat on and abused. That's what they were for. Got tinted glass. 52,000 mile Challenger TA. Sublime green, numbers match, outstanding condition. So go to volocars.com. That's where you'll see all the specs. I'm pretty sure we have a build sheet on there too. And plenty of ways to contact us. I have a whole staff of people, and our job is to help answer your questions, get you financing, get it shipped to your door. Whatever we can do to help, you just let us know. That's volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's the best way to see these videos as they come out. So I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.